What's going on, guys? Bleach Dane here on DGTV, here to bring you the most epic DIY tutorial ever. We're making Dawn Platinum Plus dish spray at home today because who needs to spend money on this stuff when you can just make it yourself and pretend you're a responsible adult, right? Let's grab those ingredients. We're gonna need 1 empty Dawn dish spray bottle, 2 measuring cups, 1 tablespoon, 13 ounces of water, 2 ounces or 4 tablespoons of dish soap, and 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons of isopropyl alcohol. First, measure 1 ounce or 2 tablespoons of isopropyl alcohol. Second, measure 2 ounces or 4 tablespoons of dish soap. Do not mix. Third, measure 13 ounces of water. Now we're gonna gently pour the unmixed alcohol and soap into the water. Do not mix. Next, we're gonna open the empty Dawn dish spray bottle. Now we can gently pour the solution into the empty Dawn dish spray bottle.
Pour so as not to create suds.
As you can see,
I failed miserably.
Let's reapply that spray nozzle. My pops used to tell me when I was a kid, shake it twice, you're good, son. Shake it 3 times, you're playing with it. Shh. Now for the demonstration. Bam! Just like that, you have Dawn dish spray for an exponential fraction of the price. Let's break down the initial cost, shall we? 1 empty Dawn dish spray bottle, $5. 90-ounce bottle of Ajax dish soap, $8. 13 ounces of water, $1. Isopropyl alcohol, $2. 2 measuring cups, $2. Tablespoon, $2. Grand total for upfront cost, $20. Now for cost per bottle. 1 empty dish spray bottle, null. Ajax, 16 cents per bottle. Water, 90 cents per bottle. Isopropyl alcohol, 12 cents. Measuring cups, null. Tablespoon, null. Your grand total per bottle made at home, $1.18. That's over $4 in savings per bottle. And these ingredients will last you forever. You can make 45 bottles of Dawn dish spray at home with a 90-ounce bottle of soap doing it just like this. And with that, I'm Bleach, and I'm out. Thanks for watching, guys.